Hi, today we are here to talk about Axis Bluechip Fund. As we all know, a large cap company in India are listed companies which rank from first to 100th companies in terms of market capitalization. Mutual funds with an investment mandate to predominantly invest in these large cap companies are categorized as large cap funds. Axis Bluechip Fund is one such fund. Active fund managers look to invest in large cap companies who have a proven track record and a well established business model. These companies typically are better positioned to withstand economic turmoil and hence are ideal for those investors who are looking for long term wealth creation. Large cap companies in India today comprise of market leaders and companies with relatively stronger corporate governance practices, making them relatively more stable as compared to rest of the listed equity universe. The investment strategy of Axis Bluechip Fund follows Axis Mutual Fund's quality and growth as an investment philosophy. Our philosophy relies on bottom-up stock selection process which depend on quality companies. They are focusing on long-term sustainable wealth creation potential of individual companies from the fundamental perspective. When we say bottom-up stock picking approach, it means we focus on the individual company more than the macroeconomic and market cycles. It involves giving more weightage to the company-specific fundamentals such as revenue and earning compared to the overall industry or the economy. Within the mandate of large cap companies, the fund manager aspires to identify companies with strong fundamental growth metric and business moats. Business moats include high degree of corporate governance, management quality, corporate profitability, market penetration, etc. The resulting portfolio is high conviction portfolio of fundamentally sound companies ideally positioned to navigate the ever-changing market conditions. The Axis Bluechip Fund in essence is an ideal solution for investors looking for relatively stable portfolio large cap companies. Our portfolio companies can be divided broadly into two segments: leaders and challengers. Now, when we say leaders, we basically mean companies which operate in secular growth segment and has leading market share in their areas of operation and are expected to provide steady returns. Apart from these, the challengers are those companies that are gaining market share due to differentiated offering or cost advantage in large sectors, and they are expected to deliver alpha stocks, and they are selected in the portfolio based on their ability to grow earning on a sustainable basis from a medium-term perspective while maintaining a high liquid and risk-managed portfolio. This fund is in existence since 5th January 2010. Axis Bluechip Fund is broadly invested into the large cap companies and mid cap and small cap exposure is in couple of percentage. This fund has exposure to various sectors which includes financial services, information technology, consumer services, healthcare, oil and gas, and consumable fuels. The fund is benchmarked against S&P BSE 100. In conclusion, Axis Bluechip Fund offers investors the option to invest in companies which are well-established businesses that have a proven track record. They have ability to withstand volatility in the market. It offers a lower risk compared to mid and small cap company and can thus be potentially able to generate stable returns in the long run.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.